In the previous video, I've shown you how you can create an account. So if you haven't watched that, look in the description of this video and watch that first. So after you've created an account, you would be looking at your dashboard, and then on the left, we select exchanges. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can connect your trading exchange to the board. So like mentioned before, we do have 4 exchanges. For this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Bybit account. Now, if we go to the documentation, which is under docs.crawltrading.com. You can also find a link to that in the description. You can go to API creation. Now, this is going to give you an overview of the exchanges that we have, but if you select this arrow, you can see all the specific exchanges you can add your keys on. So for example, I'm going to be showing you Bybit now, but if you want to use like Binance, if you select Binance, it's going to show you exactly where to select on your exchange to get to your API section. It's going to show you, what permissions to set, and also, you have to do like the 2FA, and at the end, it's going to generate your keys for you. Then you're going to take these keys and you're just going to paste them on the board. So it is really simple, but it's just going to be taking a lot of time if I'm going to show each exchange individually. So we're just going to be focusing on Bybit. So for example, we're going to be following these steps, but I'm going to show you this in the video. So if you go to bybit.com, also link for that in the description, then you'll see the homepage. This is assuming you're already logged in. Under your profile, you will see a button API. If you select that, it's going to take you to the API section. Now you'll notice that there's already a key created because this is the one that I currently have connected. So under exchanges, if I go to manage, then I go to my specific Bybit exchange, then you'll see that this is the same key as the one in Bybit. Now, since the board allows you to have more than one key connected, for example, having like sub accounts, I'm going to show you how it looks like with more than one key and how you can set one as a default. So we're going to go on Bybit and select create new key. And then we want to select system generated API key. Now for this, you can call this any name. So I'll just call it, for example, sub because I already have another key. Then you're going to select read write permissions. So if you want to add an IP, it's good for security. So if you want to find our IP, you're going to look right here under add API keys, IP address. If you select copy, it's going to copy that to your clipboard, and then all you need to do is select only IPs and paste that in. And then you can select unified as well as assets. Now keep in mind, you should not enable withdrawal, because this is not needed for for the board, because we don't do withdrawals. So as an extra security measure, just disable that. So all the other things are necessary. If you're planning on trading spot and futures, then you already have one key to do it all. So I'm just going to click on submit, and then it's going to ask you for the 2FA. So I'm just quickly going to do mine. So then you can select next step, and this will generate your keys for you. So you'll see your API and API secret. So the first thing we're going to do is select copy the API key. Then on your bot, you want to select add new key. Now again, you can call this any name. So I'm just going to call this sub. We're going to paste in that key that we just copied. And then we're going to go back to Bybit to get our secret. So we can just copy that as well, and then API secret. Currently, we only support live trading. I will look into adding the exchange's demo accounts as well, but for now select live trading, and the token is automatically generated for you, so you can't change that. Then if you select add keys, it will actually go and validate those keys to see if they actually work on the exchange, and once that's done, it should give you this message, API key added successfully, and then you'll see them here in the list. So this is the name, which is sub, and then I also have my main keys. So on your dashboard, if you want to change to a new key, all you have to do is, for example, under Bybit, I'm going to click there, and now I can see the new key that I've added, which is going to be sub. If you change your default, it should give you a pop-up message that says it's been changed. So since my balance is the same because it's the same account and not a sub account, nothing's going to change. But if you add a sub account key, it should now show you your sub account balance. Now this is it for this video, and if you want to connect the other exchanges, you can just again go look at the docs and follow the steps, and you should get the same results on all of the exchanges. And in the next video, I'll be showing you on how we can start creating bots now that we have our account connected.